Let us
We're breaking bread.
together.
Would you like for people to see the gift you gave us?
Yeah, it's fine. Totally fine.
Susan gave us the gift of
I ate
bagels.
mine in the car on the way up.
And they're amazing. Okay, now.
Quick shout out to Towson Hot Bagels and Timonium, the best.
The water is really good that makes these. They're kind of like New York bagels. Big fan. Big fan. Well done. Bravo.
Thank you.
You can hang out with us now.
Because you fed us.
Yeah, you can hang out. This is a gift.
Okay.
This counts as a
And
gift.
it's like a bangle shape.
Yeah, it's a bagel bagel.
It's a bang. What is it? A banger bagel? Banger bagel.
A banger bagel bagel. There you go. Great content.
That was very alliterative.
Good morning and Happy New Year. I got a nice head start today. I went out shopping in Adamstown, Pennsylvania yesterday with my friend Susan from Two Glassy Sisters, as well as Dagny, Flying Pig Thrifts. We had a blast, so much so that I ended up turning off my camera. As you guys might have realized by now, if you haven't heard, I took a few days off YouTube. I just wasn't feeling it. I was overwhelmed and tired from all the traveling I got. But yesterday, I had so much fun. I ended up scrapping my content and turning my camera off, enjoying the moment, and I didn't feel like driving home. And we got this crazy idea. I've always wanted to stay at the Cartoon Network Hotel, so I checked in there last night, and I am up and at 'em, feeling great this morning and back at it. It was so much fun. So today, I only had to commute 20 minutes to get to Adamstown, which is amazing. I'm starting it off at Lancaster County Antiques. I'm gonna pack it in today because I've been slacking on my videos. So let's go in and see what they got. I'm sure you guys have been here with me already. This place has the best stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Those are so fun. They're 20% off. $16 and 20%. I feel like I could still make money off those. They're really cool. Oh my gosh, and look at this little Noel candle holder in the original box. I don't know, I'm feeling a little wild today. Let me do some math. I love these like old games and stuff. The way it's displayed too makes me crazy. Oh my gosh, and the bowl, the garlands. It's just like the way it's all put together. It adds that je ne sais quoi, as I like to say. You know what? I think I'm just gonna do it because I can't take these and leave this in good conscience, especially with the box. It really adds that special something. I mean, it's new old stock. So all this together comes to like $46 or something. So I think I'll do all right. So I lied. It actually comes to $52 for all. But I still think, whereas I won't probably double my money on all that stuff, I'll be safe. Oh my gosh, look at this planter. I love it. Plus, if you spend over $100 here, you get an extra 5%. So, well, that's a nice one. But again, at $16.50, that's about what I'd get for that after fees, probably. And the little L's, I love them. 23, yeah. Wait, what are these? Those are interesting. Enamel pieces, $1 each. All right, and here's another vendor that I love so much. Oh my gosh, the donkey. I can't believe this is still here. I left it last time. So cute. This kind of catches my attention. This is pretty. $10. So $8. I feel like that's worth $8. I'll take that. And then up here, I'm gonna put this to the side. Up here, ooh, good grief. So this vendor used to own a family plant shop. $42.50. Yeah, I think that's high for resale. They used to own a plant shop, so a lot of this stuff is old new stock, actually, which is another fun aspect. Look at these glass eggs. How interesting. Those are really cool. I don't know much about that. Watch, it's gonna be like some deal and everyone's gonna be freaking out that I didn't take them. Now in the case here, I got some really cool Santa heads in the car. I got them yesterday when I didn't film. See a lot of cute stuff, but I'm not really, nothing that's making me feel like I need to open a case. And over here, oh my gosh, like look at all this stuff. I love that angel. She's at $34. Now, you know I'm going to be keeping my eye out for special cats today. I love the special cats. Again, a lot of stuff, but you can't take it all. Wait, does it say $30? $30? 20%? Really? Yeah, $30 discounted, then 20%. Well, that's kind of a no-brainer, isn't it? He's fantastic. These are usually super expensive. I actually never been able to buy and sell this exact one. Oh, 1994. What? That's weird. I still think I'll do well on him. No, does that say 1994? It does. That's interesting. Maybe it's a different version. I'm not sure. That looks, there's something off about that. I didn't realize these were in the 90s. Oh my gosh. Dude. Sold. $12.50 and 20%. No brainer. Now I'm on the fence about Santa. He's 24. But I also want to check out what looks to be, is that a perfume bottle with the fuzz back there? What's happening back there? Need a key. All right, so it ended up being, wow, this bear, I love it. It ended up being $8 after the discount, so I grabbed it. I just broke 100, I did 102, so now I get an extra 5% discount. $24.50 on the copper enamel elephant plate. Gosh, I love that vase. I feel like that vase gets me every time. This booth has super interesting stuff. Let's see, what about down here? There's all kinds of neat stuff. Oh my gosh, look at the dresser box. That's at $42.50. That's really cool. I love that kind of end of day style. Does this have like nudes on it? That's interesting. Dancing nude MCM. What's this little bud vase hiding back here? That's kind of cool. $5. Now, I don't just pick up everything I could make a couple bucks on. If I did, oh my gosh, these are so wild. If I did, I wouldn't have enough space in my car to drive home. $49, that is gorgeous. I pick up whatever is speaking to me. I like to leave certain things if I've like had something like them before. Wow, that clock is amazing. I like to switch it up. So if you see something and you're like, oh my gosh, that's an amazing price, you can make money off that. Not every time, but sometimes I know. I just pick up what speaks to me in the moment. And wow, that's beautiful. So anyway, let's go upstairs. Upstairs is where I do most of the damage, actually. I actually got one of those seals yesterday. Let's see. He's fun. Love his face. I think I've picked this up before. Maybe not. I think that's really pretty. 25 and I think 20%. I think that's a little high for resale. Whoa, look at this. Okay, it says chip. That's why I was gonna say. It comes like $12 after the discount. This is neat. 45. I think that's Viking. This style of Lefton doesn't really sell that well for me. I don't like the coin dot. 25. This booth also has really different stuff. Super mid-century. Oh, I love the Umbrella Girl. Those are hit or miss for me. This flamingo, though, that's different. It's surprisingly a hobbyist piece. I thought that was gonna be some crazy pottery or something from the looks of the glaze. Like, if this doesn't make you happy, I don't know what will. Love the way everything's put together, seriously. Really, really unique stuff. These shelves, I always find things that somehow offset my cost average. They have really good prices over here. Really unique stuff too. Wait, what are those perfume bottles up there? They're German too. I had to put my camera down to grab them. And they have their original stickers. I think those are amazing. I'm gonna check them for chips right quick. They look pristine. This one comes to 20 and this one comes to 27. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get both. That's one thing I've been super into recently is perfume bottles. Wow, this is really cool. Sweet Thai Salem. Interesting. I've never seen that. It's $12. I might look that up. Yeah, so there's definitely money to be made in this. I thought it looked the same as the gold. I've seen things like it in gold, but I've never seen it, this like usual one, this exact one, not usual, in silver. But it's really heavy, and I think it will cost a lot to ship and packing materials. And I'm a little uncertain about it, so I'm gonna leave it behind. It's very nice though. Back over here, gosh, it's so hard to hone in on just one thing. Tie backs, so old-timey over here. I love it. Even the music they play here is old-timey. And I noticed the acrylic flower. Don't worry, that one's at 27 after the discount. It's a little bit more than I'd like to have invested, especially because I have something similar on my shelves right now. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. I love these. Those have been hit or miss with me, although the graphic on that one is different than the last couple I've had. I've had them go real high and real low, so I'm gonna leave it. And the spaghetti Santa, $30, 30%, so 3, 6, 9, $21. Oh my gosh, it's the planter. I thought it was gonna be the bank. What? Oh, that's because he's got a broken mustache. That's why I'm gonna put that back. This is another booth that you really got to pay attention to. And I tell you, the prices in this booth are cheaper than the thrift store, for real. Kind of like this creamer. I mean, it's $2. I'm not gonna think too much about it. I'm just gonna grab it. Let's see what else. It looks like an awesome stopper to something. I wonder. Oh no, it's just a stopper. I was gonna say, I wonder if we can find its other half somewhere in this booth. This caught my attention. How different. It's cool. It's plastic too. That's really unique. Okay, well, I had originally walked over here because I saw the half doll. And I can't tell what that says. I think it says $44. It looks almost like it could be Munslight. But I also see this Rosenthal cat. That's really interesting. I'm gonna look up the Rosenthal cat. That's 35 and 20% off. I feel like last time I was here and I saw one, it was more expensive. But this French atomizer, that's really cool. That's $24 and 20% off. I think that will do well, and plus I'd like to enjoy looking at it for a little. Yeah, so the last one sold for like $100-something bucks. I'm gonna grab that. That's very cool. Look at the little teacup with the bee on it. Wow, that's amazing too. I told myself today, before I left the hotel, that I was gonna pick out some really special items, and I was not playing around. This is really cool. $4.50. Well, I don't think you can go wrong with that. It's got like a little flea bite on it, but it's also $4. So I did go ahead and pick up the Rosenthal cat. That French perfume bottle was amazing. I almost picked up that little, what looks to be like Murano ashtray. Now I'm second guessing myself that I should have picked that up. I'm afraid it might be that paper thin glass, and I don't really mess with it. Whatever. Oh my gosh, I did leave that, didn't I? I'm just gonna keep going. I kind of feel like I was so focused on the Rosenthal cat. Forgive me. Perhaps it will be there next time if people tell me I made a big mistake. Now down here, look at that bathing beauty. That's amazing. 42, 20%. That's a really special one. Okay, well, all the epic Santas, but this, dude, $18, Mickey Mouse mail. It's got a little wear, but it's Mickey. I'm really tempted, but I'm starting to wind down a little. Yeah, I'm gonna wind down a little, I think. Plus, I know that there's a really crazy, that's cool. Really, this is Holt Howard. As is. I know that there's a couple really crazy booths around the corner. Surprisingly, nothing else has spoken to me strongly enough to pick it up since. Look at this cute little watering can. Avon, I thought so. Avon made some cute stuff. But yeah, I love all the dolls. A lot of them are a little spendy. Oh, that one's 24 and 30%. That's not bad at all. But I think this is my first stop of the day, and I started out really strong. That's cool. I actually have a turtle rattle right now. So yeah, a lot of amazing glass, but I'm kind of caught up on the perfumes and the Rosenthal cat, honestly. Fabulous. I spent $181 in there, which is insane because I got some really high-end items. I think my favorite by miles is going to be the Purple French perfume bottle, as well as that Rosenthal cat. This was only the first stop of the day. Let's keep going.